The ROG Xbox Ally and Ally X are two of the latest portable PCs allowing gamers to enjoy PC gaming on the go, this time with an Xbox interface. Sadly, their standard storage capacities and SSD speeds leave a bit to be desired. The good news is that it's very easy to fix that. Hello, I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today we'll be leveling up the ROG Xbox Ally's standard capacity. While the Ally will allow you to transport more of your game library on a microSD card, such as Kingston's Canvas Go Plus microSD memory card, with up to 1 terabyte of storage, we can go one better than that with just a little more effort and achieve even better performance by upgrading that internal SSD. To get started, you'll need a size 0 Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic tool to open the case. Pro tip, if you don't have a special opening tool, use a guitar pick. Both the ROG Xbox Ally and Ally X have an M.2 2280 NVMe inside, which makes upgrades simple. The Kingston Fury Renegade PCIe 5.0 NVMe M.2 SSD has a higher average read-write speed and comes in either a 2 terabyte or 4 terabyte version, so it's a great upgrade option. Regardless of which replacement drive you choose, make sure you back up any data that's already on there, since the setup process will format the drive, erasing all previous data. Before you attempt to open your device, discharge the battery to below 25% for safety and power everything off. Place it face down on a soft surface and undo the 5 screws on the back panel and the 3 shorter screws along the bottom with your screwdriver. Please note that one of the back screws won't come out all the way, but loosening it is necessary to lift the bottom cover. It will detach when the cover comes off. Make sure you keep the screws in a safe place like a Zip-Loc bag or something similar. If your Ally casing is stubborn and won't pop open when unscrewed, use the opening tool, slide it along the length of the case to undo the clips. You'll notice there's a ribbon cable connecting the back panel and motherboard. You can leave it plugged in, just take care not to tear it when you set the back panel aside. The next step is disconnecting the battery. Under the right fan, you'll see the battery connector. If you're working on the ROG Xbox Ally like we are here, use that opening tool to slide the metal clip back, then pull the connector up and out of its socket. If you're upgrading the ROG Xbox Ally X, there will be no metal retaining clip to worry about, so you can just lift straight upward to disconnect. With some models of the ROG Xbox Ally, you will need to remove the battery before the SSD can be swapped. Others, the SSD is above the battery, so this step is unnecessary. If you need to remove the battery, it's as simple as unscrewing the 5 screws and carefully removing it. If you're working on the ROG Xbox Ally, you may notice that there is a small strip of conductive fabric to the motherboard and SSD. You'll notice a black shield on top of the SSD. Delicately slide the SSD out and the new one in, then re-secure with the same screw. With that done, all that remains is to plug the battery connector back in and close the device up. Make sure that all the case clips snap into place and the screws for the back panel are replaced. Simple. The next step is to reinstall Windows on your new drive. Remove any SD cards and charge your Ally and plug your Ally into the wall using the included 65-watt charger. Hold the volume down button while pressing the power button and the device should boot into its BIOS menu. Press Y to enter advanced mode, then proceed to the advanced menu and select ASUS Cloud Recovery to begin the process. It will require connecting to Wi-Fi, and the process will take a couple of reboots before it can be completed. When your Ally has finished downloading and installing the disk image, you can set your computer up as if it were fresh out of the box, only this time you'll have even more space for games. Which games do you think work best on a portable platform like the ROG Ally? Are there any that you prefer playing on a handheld? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on future tech tips.